Okay, so good day everyone. What we're going to do today is that I'll be teaching you on how to install or how to add the Kali Linux on our VmWare or as our on our virtual machine. Okay, so first things first, since we still don't have first things first is of course we are going to install or to download our Kali Linux. So where can we download the Kali Linux? Where is it? So we're just going to type here on our page or on our any browser that you have, kali.org/get-kali. So once you hit enter on that, we will be redirected here on this platform. So we have two options, the installer image or for virtual machines. Now, since we are installing on our VmWare workstation, we'll just going to click here on our virtual machines. After that is that we are going to choose which virtual machine are we going to use. And in our case, since we have here the VmWare already, we're just going to click here to download and wait for it. Now, since I already got that one here on my part, I will just we'll just have here this. So we already have this one. This is the downloaded file that I have. What we're going to do is that we just need to extract this one so that we can get the folder of this, the Kali Linux, and we're going to be having all of this here. Now after you have successfully extracted this one, we just need to go back to our VmWare, and then we need to click on the open virtual machine. And then after that, we'll just go to where we have where we have the folder that we have extracted earlier, and we'll just click this one. Okay, so after that we click open, and then that's it. We already have the default the preset memory, processors, hard disk, and all that for this what is needed for the Kali Linux. And what we're going to do is that we just need to click on power on the virtual machine so that we can see the initial interface of the Kali Linux. Okay, so we'll just have to wait a few minutes for this to be loaded. Okay, so as fast as that, we already have this initial part of the interface of the Kali Linux. And then what we're going to do is that our default user and password for this one is Kali. Both are Kali, so that we can get the default interface or desktop that we have for this one. So let's try to log that in. Okay, so now we already have this one here. Okay, so this is the virtual machine that we already have for the Kali Linux. So this is how it looks like initially. So you can try to have the CMD files or even the Firefox browser and all the file systems that we have for this one. Okay, so that is how we can easily install our Kali Linux on a VmWare Workstation Pro 17. Okay, so I think that was it for this video. Thank you for watching.